Bonjour, je m'appelle Dr. Tin et bienvenue à French 1311, chapitre 5, leçon 1. Aujourd'hui, nous allons étudier comment inviter quelqu'un à faire quelque chose. Aujourd'hui, nous allons étudier comment inviter quelqu'un à faire quelque chose. Hello, my name is Dr. Tin and welcome to French 1311, Chapter 5, Lesson 1. Today we are going to study how to invite somebody to do something. How to invite somebody to do something. Ça va? J'espère que tout le monde va bien. Ok. Invitation. Envie. Ok. Invitation. L'invitation. Comment inviter quelqu'un? How to invite somebody, okay, to do something. Alright, to do that, there are two ways to do that. Okay, first of all, you can ask the person if you're talking to, that's casually inviting somebody to do something with you. Casually inviting somebody to do something. You can say, ça te dit, with the preposition de followed by an infinitive of the action you want to invite the person to do. That is the verb. Okay? So, if you want somebody to eat with you, you use the verb manger here. If you want that person to study, you use étudier, to sing, chanter, right? So, the verb you will use after the preposition de, if the verb begins with a vowel, then de will change to the apostrophe. Okay? So, ça te dit de, okay, followed by the infinitive of the verb. Or, if you are inviting a lot of people, a lot of your friends, you use vous instead of te, right? Ça vous dit de, the same thing, followed by the infinitive of what you want that person to do. Okay? So, ça te dit d'aller au cinéma ce soir? Ok, ça te dit d'aller au cinéma ce soir? Do you feel like going to the movie? Alright? Tonight? Très bien. Ça te dit d'aller au cinéma ce soir? Do you feel like going to the movies tonight? Ça va? Très bien. Do you feel like going to the movies tonight? Okay, if you are inviting a lot of people, a lot of your friends, right? Then you use vous. Ça vous dit, all of you. To you guys, right? There, you're talking to a lot of your friends. So do you guys feel like, right? Ça vous dit de prendre un café dans le quartier. Quartier means the neighborhood, right? Le quartier, the neighborhood. So, do you guys feel like, alright, drinking a coffee in the neighborhood? Ça vous dit de prendre, prendre will mean to eat or to drink. Okay, so here, because of café, you can use the verb prendre to mean to drink. Do you guys feel like drinking a coffee in the neighborhood? Okay. Ça vous dit de prendre un café dans le quartier? Okay. Ça te dit d'aller au cinéma ce soir? Do you feel like going to the movies tonight? This is talking to one person, all right? And then vous, you're talking to a lot of your friends. Here you are using these to casually ask somebody to do something. Okay? Très bien. Another way of asking the same question, okay, is to use the verb to want to, right? Which we will learn later on. Tu veux aller au cinéma ce soir? Do you want to go to the movies tonight? Tu veux aller. You know aller already? This is the to want part, right? We do the verb vouloir later on. Tu veux aller au cinéma ce soir? Okay, if you are talking to a lot of your friends, okay? Vous voulez prendre un café dans le quartier? The same thing. Do you want to drink coffee in the neighborhood? Okay. Then the answers can take several forms. Oui, je veux bien. Oui, je veux bien. You know, we already, yes, I would love to. Yes, I would love to, or I would like to. Yes, I would love to. Okay. Oui, ça me dit. Means yes, it sounds good to me, right? It sounds good to me. It sounds good. Oui, ça me dit. Alright? The next is pourquoi pas. You know pourquoi already. Why not? Pourquoi pas? Why not? Okay, the next answer is oui, j'aimerais bien, or oui, j'aimerais beaucoup. Okay, yes, I would love to. Yes, I love that a lot. Okay, the next one is avec plaisir. Avec plaisir. Avec plaisir, which literally means with pleasure, right? Okay. Yes, I would be happy to. Yes, I would be happy to. Now the next one, volontiers, 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 volontiers. Sure, you bet. Okay, here volontiers means willingly, right? But casually talking to your friend, sure, you bet. Sure, you bet. And the last one, oui, bonne idée. Oui, bonne idée. Yes, good idea. Yes, good idea. Okay, now to invite somebody to eat a certain type of cuisine, right? Like Italian cuisine, or Chinese cuisine, right? Chinese food, Italian food, Mexican food, or Indian food. You use the same thing you did here. And you know, to eat is manger, manger, manger. And then the type of food that you will love your friend to eat will follow. Use the adjective. Use the adjective, the masculine form of the adjective. Right? So if you want to eat African food, you say africain after manger. Alright? If it's Italian, you say italien. If it's Chinese, you say chinois, the masculine form of the adjectives. Right? If it's Mexican, you say mexicain, mexicain. So, ça te dit de manger chinois ce soir? If you're talking to a lot of your friends, ça vous dit de manger chinois. Okay? If it's Italian food, you are inviting your friend to eat with you, you say ça te dit ça te dit de manger italien ce soir? If it's Mexican, ça te dit de manger mexicain ce soir? Right? Do you feel like eating, right? Chinese, Italian, Mexican tonight, ce soir, tonight, or this evening? Okay. Ça te dit de manger chinois ce soir? Talking to a lot of your friends, you use vous in the place of te, you, right? Ça vous dit de manger chinois, Chinese, right? If it's Italian you want to eat, then Italien. If it's Mexicans, then you will say Mexican. Okay? Ce soir, tonight. It can be cet après-midi, this afternoon, right? If you're having lunch. Ça va? Très bien. To politely decline, right? To politely decline, you will say désolé, désolé, répétez, désolé, désolé, désolé. Désolé means sorry, sorry, right? The E here means it's a woman talking, but the pronunciation is the same. Désolé, désolé, je ne peux pas. Désolé, je ne peux pas. Je ne peux pas. Je ne peux pas means I can't. Très bien, I can't. Sorry, I can't. Sorry, I can't. Okay, so, ça vous dit de manger chinois? Désolé, je ne peux pas. Ça te dit de manger italien ce soir? Désolé, je ne peux pas. Okay, ça vous dit. Okay, you're talking to a lot of your friends. Okay, so, ça vous dit de manger italien ce soir? The person, right? Vous say, désolé, je ne peux pas. But the ne is normally dropped, so you hear, désolé, je peux pas. Désolé, je peux pas. Désolé, je ne peux pas. Right? The ne is normally dropped, so you hear, désolé, je ne peux pas. Désolé, je ne peux pas. Ça va? Très bien. Au revoir et à bientôt.